chicken wraps today. What we're going to need is chicken, obviously chicken breast, skin on, I'll take that off in a minute. We've got some pineapple, lettuce, tomato, low-fat cottage cheese, and of course bread to wrap it in. Okay, just make one wrap, but you'll get the idea of how to do the rest of them. First we do, we've turned on the fry pan, get the heat going, and then we will obviously pull the skin off the chicken. I'm not pedantic about taking all the fat off as long as it's most off it. That's all that matters for me. I don't believe that animal fats are actually bad for you. Of course, taken in moderation. First, we're going to dice the chicken, cook that. Of course, we forgot. I'm doing barbecue sauce. Now, in Australia, we call basically a hamburger or anything with a pineapple in it Hawaiian style. I'm not quite sure what that is, but that's the way things are. So this is going to be Hawaiian, chicken Hawaiian wrap. Okay. Never actually been to Hawaii. I have no idea. But I assume it's the same as in America. You've got the Aussie, what do they call them? Aussie toasting breads or Aussie Pop-Tart bloody rubbish. Some pastry jam filled thing you put in the toaster in the morning. It's supposed to be a breakfast cereal. It's just 100% sugar. Nothing to do with Australia at all. Cut that into small cubes. Chicken's got some oil in here today rather than my usual light steaming, because you can see it's a brand new fry pan. When you get a new fry pan, you've always got to just heat some oil in it by itself so it becomes more non-stick. Oil. Looking like shit. Put some water in. Throw that on. Actually throw the pineapple in there. Throw that on. And while it's doing, we'll cut up some tomato slices. Any cottage cheese left? Well, low fat cottage cheese actually. We'll use that as the actual spread. Okay. Some lettuce. I'm not quite sure the correct name for this. In Australia, anything like this is called fancy lettuce, because it's for fancy people with fancy dinners. Okay. Just check this in. See that very well. It's okay. A long way off yet, but it's coming along. Just pop the lid back on there. In about 5 minutes we'll come back, check the chicken. Right, it's been about 5 minutes. As you can see, the chicken's cooking. Again, just get a piece of chicken, cut it in half, look inside. That's white, that's cooked. What we'll do now, some barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce is a little bit sweet, so it goes well with the pineapple. You could probably use tomato sauce, but I actually don't think it would be added to it. A little more sauce. Okay, what we need to now just let the excess water boil off, and then what we'll do, turn the heat off and let the chicken and pineapple sit in the sauce for about 10-15 minutes. Let it soak up a bit of the flavour, and then we'll wrap it up. It's been about 10-15 minutes. Let's see. The barbecue sauce really is the sauce. Okay. Excuse my fingers, but I don't really care because I'm the one who's eating it. And I know where my fingers have been. It's been nowhere exciting today at all. And there we go.